Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Warsaw Airport. Yes, not in Stockholm, not even in Sweden. I have a transit in Poland and I'm trying to find my gate, and I was like, you know what? Let's just bring everyone along. Why not? I'm here. I have my camera and I was like, let's try to find my gate, right? So my gate is gate 28. And yeah, I've been at Warsaw Airport a few times. So I'm changing flight here and I am going to Ljubljana, which is technically speaking not in Croatia, it's actually in Slovenia. But because I'm traveling to Pula, which did not really have any good direct flights, I was like, yeah, I'll fly to Ljubljana. And from there, I got myself a shuttle bus, which is like a 2-hour thing. But if I had to fly into Zagreb, it was also a 2-hour thing, even 2.5 hours. So although it's in a different country than I'm actually going to, what is this called? Yeah, it was actually closer to Pula. So all good. So I was like, yeah, while I'm in the airport, I'm a bit bored. I have like 1 hour. Just gonna check out what they got here. Oh, this is pretty fun. A little car. Tax-free shopping here. You know, in the end, most airports are quite similar anyway. Premium food gate. What do they got here? Probably like Polish meats and things like that. Not really sure what they got here. What's this? Is this Polish chocolate? Oh, these I love. Those breadsticks are good. Some jams. All the good stuff. In Polish zloty, I think they got here. I'm not really sure how. I think it's like 4 zloty to €1 or something like that. I mean, check out the Polish language. It's really like, you can recognize nothing. Not me anyway. I don't know what they're saying. I understand absolutely nothing. So gates 1 to 26. Yeah. I think I'm on gate 28, so yeah. Don't know what's happening on this side. Let's check that out. It'll be just a little walk, you know, just to get to give you guys a little vibe of where I'm going, where I'm walking. Another car. Oh, there's some flights leaving over there. Let's check it out here. Let's look through the window. Oh, this is actually gate 28 is here. I'm already at my gate. Okay, cool. Oh, nice, big windows. What else do we got here? So yeah, I was looking for my gate, but it was actually right in front of my gate. So yeah, well done, Daniel. Some people asking me, oh, what are you doing in Croatia? Yeah, it's a work thing. So I'm not going on my holidays. It's a work thing, so I'm traveling by myself, but it's not impossible that I actually meet some other colleagues here in Warsaw. It would be quite funny actually if I had, if I would bump into some other people that I know. The spirit of Poland. Nice. Let's walk through here. That's the question. What's the spirit of Poland? Ooh, those are cute. What's this? Chocolate? Yeah. Alcohol. Kinder Bueno. Not very Polish if you ask me, or maybe it is. Not even sure. Oh, here actually. Here I was last time I was at here at Polish Warsaw Airport. I have really good hamburgers here. I had like a vegetarian, yeah, there it is, plant-based burger. That's what I had last time. It was good. Oh, it smells good as well. Should I have some lunch here? Maybe I should actually. Maybe I should. Not extremely much to do here. Oh, look, what do we got here? Some massage chairs. Oh, hello. Warsaw Chopin Airport. An airplane. Yay. Oh, this looks funny. It's for kids to play here. Let's see, can I walk here? And I go around and I'm back. That's what I'm gonna do. Back to gate 28. Okay, this is maybe not the most beautiful airport I've ever seen, but still pretty cool. Oh, I got hungry now, people. As you can see, no one is really wearing a mask anymore, neither the staff or the passengers. So I don't know where it is where you're from, but here not really. Neither in Sweden, by the way. Let's see how it is in Ljubljana, I'm not sure, but we'll find out soon. Alright, let's go back to my gate. Just a little video, nothing special. Oh, I'm probably going back to that burger place. Now I'm super hungry. It's probably the fourth time I say this in 5 minutes, but anyway. If you're hungry, you're hungry. You can focus on anything else. It's like going to the toilet. It's one of those basic needs. You gotta go, you gotta go. Oh, a little screen. I can see where I am. Man, the Polish language is really crazy. Understand nothing. You know, when you try to learn Spanish or Italian or French or German or any of those main European languages, although you don't really speak it or study it, you still recognize a few words here and there, right? Just because you speak English or, in my case, Dutch or Swedish. But Polish, absolutely nothing. Doesn't even start with the same letter usually. Oh, there it is, Ljubljana. Yes, 11:25. Yeah, because first, you know, what I was doing a while ago, I wasn't uploading videos for my trips because I was like, oh, I don't have time to do full videos. But then quite a few people pointed out that it's fine to do some shorter videos, you know, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 50 minutes, just a small update. So that's what I do today. Nothing fancy, just a little airport video. Oh, we got McDonald's over there. That's everywhere, isn't it? French pastries. Oh, what's this? The smoking lounge. Yeah, smoking zone. I'm happy I'm not over there. No, I do not smoke. Alright, I think everything else looks pretty much the same, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching here from Warsaw Airport, and I see you all in Croatia. Bye folks.